Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really special for you, so make sure you stay with me until the end. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest tricks and updates. So let's jump right in. As you can see, I'm running the new Zooba mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. To open the mod menu, you just tap the gear icon right here. That instantly brings up all the features of this mod. The main one, and probably the reason most of you are here, is unlimited gems and coins. With just one tap, those get added straight into the game, giving you the maximum amount so you never have to worry about running out. But that's not all. Inside the menu, there are extra features that let you tweak the gameplay to your liking, making Zooba even more fun to play. Now, let me show you how you can get this mod for yourself. All you need to do is open any browser on your device. I'm using Safari here, but you can use Chrome or anything else. Go to the site ogappbox.com. Once you're there, you can either use the search bar or simply scroll through the list until you find the Zooba mod. Tap on it, then press install. The process is super simple, and if you run into any issues, that site also has extra instructions you can follow. And that's it. The Zooba mod will be ready on your device, giving you unlimited gems and coins along with all the other modded features. If it works for you, let me know in the comments. I always like hearing your feedback. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this, and I'll see you in the next one.